Welcome back to RV World, your go-to destination for everything RV, tiny campers, van life, and compact adventure rigs. If you're new to RVing, want something compact, easy to tow, and budget-friendly, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the perfect tiny camper for first-time RV owners. One that's small, practical, packed with features, and most importantly, affordable. Let's be honest. Jumping into the RV lifestyle can feel overwhelming. Big motorhomes can be intimidating, and even travel trailers can feel like a lot to handle when you're just starting out. But don't worry, we've found the ideal solution that checks all the boxes for beginners, the 2026 Little Nomad Micro Camper. This lightweight trailer is compact, coming in at just 12 feet long, and weighing under 1,500 pounds. That means you can tow it with most small SUVs, crossovers, and even some sedans. No need for a big truck or any special towing setup. For first-timers, that's a huge plus. Now, let's talk about what makes the Little Nomad such a great pick. First, the build. It's crafted with a high-strength aluminum frame and composite sidewalls, so it's both durable and weather-resistant. You won't have to worry about rust, leaks, or constant maintenance. That means more time enjoying your road trips, and less time in the repair shop. Inside, the layout is smart and efficient. You get a cozy sleeping area that converts into a dinette, perfect for meals, work, or just relaxing. The bed comfortably sleeps two adults, and even tall campers will appreciate the clever design that maximizes headroom. What really sets this camper apart is the full-featured kitchenette. It includes a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink with an electric water pump, and a compact 12V fridge. You can cook a real meal, store your food, and clean up easily, all in a camper that's smaller than most parking spots. Storage is often a challenge in small campers, but the Little Nomad nails it. With under-bed storage, overhead cabinets, and even an exterior gear box, you'll be surprised how much you can bring along without cluttering the space. Another big win for new RVers is the plug-and-play setup. You can hook it up to shore power at a campground or run it off-grid with an optional solar panel package. The camper also comes with LED lighting throughout, USB charging ports, and a simple control panel that's easy to understand even if you've never used RV systems before. Let's talk price. One of the biggest reasons first-time owners hesitate is cost. Fortunately, the 2026 Little Nomad starts at just under $13,000. That's thousands less than most entry-level trailers and a fraction of the cost of a motorhome. You're getting quality, function, and ease of use, all without breaking the bank. And what about towing and setup? That's where this camper really shines. Because it's so light and compact, backing it into campsites is easy, even if you're new to trailers. Leveling takes just a few minutes with built-in stabilizers, and the manual tongue jack is smooth and simple to operate. Now if you're worried about missing the bathroom, don't be. The Little Nomad has a modular wet bath add-on that includes a portable cassette toilet and a privacy curtain system. You can choose whether to go full minimalist or add the upgrade for just a few hundred extra. Let's not forget about the style factor. The design is sleek and modern, with clean lines, color options, and even LED accent lighting outside. It doesn't look like your typical boxy trailer. Instead, it has a cool, contemporary vibe that stands out at any campsite. So who is the Little Nomad really for? It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, digital nomads, and anyone who wants to dip their toes into the RV lifestyle without a huge investment or steep learning curve. It's ideal for weekend getaways, national park visits, road trips, or even as a base camp for hiking and biking adventures. And if you're worried about upgrades or future expansion, good news. The camper is modular. You can add a roof rack, rear cargo carrier, bike mounts, or even a small awning system. It grows with you as your travel style evolves. In short, the 2026 Little Nomad Micro Camper is everything a beginner RV owner could ask for. Compact, easy to use, towable by most vehicles, fully featured, and surprisingly affordable. It's the kind of camper that gets you out exploring without stress or debt. So if you're looking for your first RV and don't want to compromise on comfort, quality, or convenience, this might just be the tiny camper you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching RV World, where your next adventure starts small but goes big. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews, RV tips, and the best compact campers on the market. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned traveler, we've got something for everyone. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest from the world of tiny travel. Until next time, happy travels and safe roads from all of us at RV World.